Wilfred, what happened to you? I'm sorry. Wait, what? What? Hindi ba ako pwede mag-worry sa'yo, Wilfred? Huh? You've been gone for a while. Wala ka man lang abiso or anything. Then the police suddenly said you've been found. Pumunta ako sa house mo, but your stupid maids won't tell me where you are.
So, stalker po kayo, ma'am.
Can you please shut up? Ikaw ba si Wilfred? Wilfred, please, I just really wanna know kung ano talaga nangyari sa'yo. Ang tagal mong nawala.
Long story.
I have all day.
I don't have all day. Kailangan namin umalis.
Wait. What on earth is going on?
Honey, trust me. It's best na wala kang alam.
My God naman! Nagpunta ako dito to check how you're doing and you choose not to talk? And fine. Stalker ako. Happy? Nag-stalk ako in everything just to surprise you. Pero ako ata yung nasusurprise dahil sa kinikilos niyong lahat. Ano to? What the hell is going on?
We really have no time.
What? Wilfred, tell me right now.
Ronnie, wag na. It's best you don't know for your own safety. And please, stay in your house. Kapag-ala-gala. Amber, can you check your luggages?
Salamat po.
Nay? Sir Freddy? Sino po sila?
Sila yung caretaker ng bahay. Tutulong din sila sa atin.
Bakit ngayon lang po tayo nagpunta dito?
Maybe kasi di ba busy yung super team mo? So yun, ngayon lang ako na bakante.
Dahil kita may onion pa?
Gusto mo ba? Of course, why not?
Pero Lia, mas better kung magsistay ka with me or with your nanay.
Or, siguro mas maganda kung magkasama tayo lahat sa kwarto, no? Kung okay lang sa nanay mo.
Okay lang naman sa akin.
Yay! Thank you po!
Ate, ilagay ko muna yung mga gamit sa kwarto.
Sige.
Thurston,
Sige po.
we got your room, okay?
Sir, na-check na po namin lahat ng perimeters.
Good. Sige, thank you. As soon as maayos natin yung passport niya ni Tristan, we'll leave the country.
Pero kailangan muna natin panagutin si Dennis sa lahat ng kasalanan niya.
We will. Okay? For now, just stay calm. We're safe here. Tayong lahat.
Sana nga, Wilfred.
May mga kasama pa kayo, ha?